This is Chris at Reactive Graphics, and today I'll show you how to make a simple PDF link in your WordPress website. So first, you want to make sure that your PDF is good to go. You'll notice that on the left I have it on my desktop. This will make it easier for me to drag it in when the time comes. You also want to make sure that you have your login details ready. So up here, I want to put in my website, reactivegraphics.co.uk/wp-admin. So for you, it will be your domain /wp-admin. Here's the login screen. Input your username and your password and press login. Now you'll see the WordPress dashboard. So first you want to take the PDF and put it into the media library. So go to Media, Library, and you should see this screen. Now just drag the PDF in, and there it is. Select it, and on the right here you'll see the full URL. So highlight the whole thing, copy, then close it with the little X here. Now you want to go to Pages. So if you want to edit an existing page, go to All Pages, but for now let's add New. Now up here you'll want to define a title, so I'll just call it Reactive Test Page, and this is the main content area. So on the right you have these little tabs, text and visual, so we'll stick with visual for now. And you want to type in your text, so we'll say this is your PDF link right here. Now obviously you don't want the whole sentence to be the actual link. So select a word or words, so I'll make it right here. Then go to the little insert edit link icon, it looks like a paperclip. Click on that. Then go to the little cog called Link Options. Click on it. Now down here you'll see you have all these which are current content pages in your website, which is handy for doing internal links. But for now, go to the URL, right click, paste, and there's the link. You can also decide whether or not the link opens in a new tab, but I think it's fine for now. Add link, save draft, and when you're ready, you'll want to press the little blue publish button here. But for now, let's see how it went by clicking on View Page, and there it is. This is your PDF link right here. So click on that, and there it is. There's your PDF. Thanks for joining us on this WordPress tutorial. If you have any ideas for future tutorials, do let me know in the comments section. Otherwise, if you're curious as to what we do here, check out reactivegraphics.co.uk.